They dropped a Hellcat into a 1971 Road Runner, and it makes 700 plus horsepower with a manual transmission. In a world where modern muscle cars dominate the streets with digital precision and electronic control, there still exists a rare breed of machines that refuse to forget where real performance came from. This is one of them, a 1971 Plymouth Road Runner, reborn, not restored, not preserved, reimagined. And at the heart of this legend sits something completely unexpected, a Mopar Hellcat 6.2L supercharged V8 engine. A modern monster dropped into one of the most iconic Mopar bodies ever created. The result is not just a Restomod, it's a controlled explosion wrapped in light blue metallic paint with over 700 horsepower on tap. This Road Runner doesn't whisper nostalgia, it roars with modern brutality. The Hellcat supercharger sits like a declaration of war under the hood, feeding raw compressed air into a V8 that was never meant to be this powerful, yet somehow feels perfectly at home. And what makes this build even more dangerous is what sits behind it. A 4-speed manual transmission, no paddle shifters, no automation, just raw mechanical engagement. Every gear change is a physical decision. Every launch is a commitment, and every shift sends that supercharged torque straight through a factory-style sure-grip rear end with a 323. One gear ratio designed to put power down the old-school way, violently and honestly. Power like this deserves control, and this car gives you exactly that. Step closer, and the exterior tells its own story. Finished in light blue metallic with crisp white exterior accents, this Road Runner doesn't try to look modern, it leans fully into its heritage. The white vinyl roof brings back that unmistakable 1970s muscle car identity, while new chrome detailing reflects light like polished jewelry on a heavyweight fighter. It looks calm, but nothing about it is calm. Magnum 500 wheels sit perfectly under the flared arches, wrapped in aggressive staggered rubber, 215/70/15 up front and 275/60/15 in the rear. Classic proportions, modern grip philosophy, a setup built for straight line fury and highway domination. Behind the wheels, power brakes with front disc upgrades ensure that when this machine decides to go fast, it can also be brought back to earth. Cooling is handled by an aluminum radiator, keeping that supercharged Hellcat engine stable even when pushed into its upper limits. Power steering keeps the experience surprisingly manageable because underneath all that aggression, this is still a car you can actually drive. But the real beauty of this build is in the details you don't see at first glance. Underneath the body, everything is refined and rebuilt. A body color matched underside gives it a show quality finish even where most cars hide rust and neglect. Stainless mandrel-bent exhaust runs cleanly through the chassis, supported by band-clamped routing for durability and precision airflow. New brake lines, new fuel lines, and a fresh gas tank complete a foundation built not just for show, but for serious road use. This is not a trailer queen. This is a street predator. Open the door and the contrast continues. Inside, the cabin stays loyal to factory design language. A white and black factory-style interior sets the tone. Clean, minimal, and unmistakably vintage. White vinyl upholstery wraps the seats, while black carpeting grounds the cabin in contrast and purpose. A cassette tape stereo system sits in the dash, a nostalgic reminder that this car bridges two eras when music was physical and horsepower was feared. Ahead of the driver is a factory-style gauge cluster, unchanged in spirit but now backed by modern performance reality. A classic steering wheel sits in your hands, and below it, a pistol grip 4-speed shifter rises from the floor like a weapon waiting for action. Turn the key and everything changes. The Hellcat engine awakens with a deep mechanical pulse that quickly escalates into a supercharged scream. It's not just loud, it's layered. You hear the blower whine, the exhaust growl, and the raw combustion of 700 plus horsepower waiting to be unleashed. This is where the past meets the future. From a standstill, the Road Runner doesn't ease forward, it launches with authority. Torque hits instantly, pushing through the rear tires with old-school aggression enhanced by modern engineering. Every gear shift is physical, mechanical, and addictive. First gear pulls like a punch. Second gear stretches the world forward. Third gear turns highways into corridors of speed. And fourth gear is where everything settles into controlled chaos. Despite its power, this machine still carries discipline. The suspension geometry, upgraded cooling, reinforced drivetrain, and modern components hidden within its classic shell make it not just fast, but usable fast. And that is what makes this build so special. It doesn't replace history, it amplifies it at $229,900. This isn't just a car purchase. It's an entry into a different category of automotive experience, one where nostalgia meets engineering extremes. One where a 1971 silhouette hides a supercharged heart capable of embarrassing modern supercars. This is the kind of machine that doesn't belong in traffic, it belongs in memory. And once you hear that Hellcat whine echo off the streets, you don't forget it, because this isn't just a road runner. It's what happens when the past refuses to stay slow.